Hello friends, sometimes because of our busy schedule, we forget to check our inbox, which is bombarded with some important messages. These messages may not only be relevant to us, but to our close family members or our friends. These can be the messages from the banks, from the schools that your kids study in, some important notifications given by the government, or the flight SMS, the tax SMS, or the railway SMSs. Here we have an SMS forwarding app which would automatically forward the relevant messages to the recipients whenever required. Now let's see how this app works. Let's open this app. Now as you can see, there are no rules added. So initially we have to create rules on the app for each incoming SMS. If the rule matches the relevant message, it will be forwarded to the recipient. So I am starting to create a rule. For example, I get a lot of SMSs from the bank. So I am adding the sender or the recipient name as HDFC. Now, what are the main important messages or the keywords that I get? It can be related to my account, so I add this keyword. It can be the amount that is credited, so I add this keyword. Then it can be the amount that is debited, so I add these three keywords. Now, for the recipient number, I added my father's number. So whenever any message that comes from HDFC having any of these keywords would be forwarded to my father. To close with this step, we have to finish the setup. Now here, as you can see, either you can edit the rules or delete the rules. But as we have wanted to just check this as a demo, we are creating one rule. Now let's see what are the support that we get. For example, if the SMS forwarding does not work from your phone, please follow below steps to enable appropriate permissions. Firstly, go to the settings, click Advanced, then Recent App Management, select Normal Clear. If still not working, then try the below steps. Go to Setting, click Battery Optimization, search for app and then open it. Now let us see. You have to purchase this app for having your benefits for forwarding the messages. Here it can be in two forms. One is Pro Lifetime, unlimited forwarders by just one-time payment and enjoy lifetime our service for free. To buy this, you just have to make a purchase of 1000 rupees. You can even enjoy the services of this app based on monthly. For this, you have to pay an amount of 30 rupees per month to use the unlimited forward messages. Now I have just gone to inbox and I can go to the settings to see. Here I am provided with various kind of themes for this app. For example, my default, I had kept it orange. I can select blue. And as you can see, the whole theme has been changed. Night mode can be disabled or always on. The font size can be changed. For notifications, you have different settings. Delay sending, it can be no delay, short, medium or long. You can even have confirmations that the messages were sent. So I am keeping this on so that I get a confirmation that the message has been sent to the relevant recipient. You can add the signature at the end of the message. So as you can see, this app has various good benefits out there. So why waiting? Go and purchase this app immediately. So from Google, you just have to write SMS forwarder, messages and auto forwarding app. As you can see the icon also. Click on this and you can install it on your system. It has very good reviews and ratings too. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it.